Good morning, everybody. It is October the 2nd of 2020, and this is the IPSY day where we are going to go through what I got in my glam bag as well as my ultimate, what the choices were for me done by IPSY, as well as the 3 choices that we're going to do for the IPSY Plus, as well as the add-on choices that are picked out for me from IPSY. So if you're new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll find right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell, and what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox that picture and the title of the video, and when you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive like today, so I don't want you guys to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be all set. Also, if you're enjoying my content, that thumbs up is really important on the YouTube platform. So please take a second now and just press that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will go up, and then you're helping me grow on the YouTube platform. All right, let's get started. All right, here we go. So this month of October, they're calling it You Are Magic, and we're going to start with going, you'll see on the top here, I already have lit up the Glam bag, the Glambag Plus, as well as the Ultimate. I haven't gone into anything yet. I was excited that it was already up and running, and I wanted to get this up early for you guys. All right, so we're going to go into my Glam bag, which is the first one, and let's see what they chose for me. So here we go. They chose for me the IT Cosmetic Lash Blowout Salon Volume Lift Mascara in black. I'm very excited to try this. This one is the one that I think is in collaboration with Drybar, so I'm excited to get this. The next one is from Lottie London. It's a Slay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Fleek. It looks like it's a color that I'll enjoy. And Lottie London is a new brand to me. I saw it being introduced on ULTA, I think it's last year, and I really didn't have an opportunity to try their product yet, so I'm happy that it's in an IPSY box. And if you're familiar with my channel, you know that my pick was going to be the Orza, which is, this is a full-size product, and it's one that I really enjoy, and I've gotten it in the past, and I always share with you guys that if it's a pick, this is a good one. And then R&Co is a Waterfall Moisture Shine Lotion. R&Co is a good brand, but I'm not familiar with this product. And they gave me a brush from SL Miss Glam, and it's the round blusher brush. At this point with brushes, I think I'm done, except when it comes to the complex brushes. But for now, that's what they chose for me in there. So let's now see what they chose for me in the Ultimate. The Ultimate is the most expensive bag. The bag that we just went through was the starter bag, and that's the $12 a month bag. So let's see what they chose for me in the Ultimate. So for me, they chose this product called Air Repair Skincare, and as you see, all of them come with bags. That's what you're seeing over here, and this is the style that they're doing for the whole month. Everyone comes with a bag. They're all just a little different, but it looks like the design is going to be the same. So this Air Repair Skincare Super Hydrating Eye Cream, a new brand to me. This Barefoot Venus, it looks like it is a hand repair. I love getting hand creams, but that's a new brand to me. And then another new brand, this Catherine Malogino. It looks like it is possibly a perfume. And then Dr. Brandt Skincare Pore Dermabrasion. This was a potential pick for me. It is a really expensive brand. It is a good brand. I do own this product already, and I do enjoy it. The Glow Recipe was my pick. And this is only a $15 valued product, but it's one that I never tried before. And I know a couple of the girls try to choose a more expensive product so that their value is there. To me, the value is based on the products that I want to use. So this one here is the Watermelon Glow. It is a toner, and I'm very excited that I chose that for myself. Then from Huda Beauty, I got the Trophy Wife, which is one of her most popular colors. It is a deep red, so very excited to get that. Lovecraft Beauty This blush palette has been on my wants list for a while. I got the bronzer in the trio that I really, really enjoyed, so I'm happy this is in my box. It's an oldie but a goodie because I remember this from like a year ago. The Milk Makeup was one that I was hesitating, and I'm happy that they chose this for me because I'm using now a Milk Makeup one, a nighttime overnight one with lavender that I just got in my BoxyCharm Luxe box, and I have really, really been enjoying it. So that's exciting. Then Naked Cosmetics, this is something that I've received before, so it might be 4 different colors. I'm going to have to look at that. The colors on this are fantastic, but it is a loose powder. And it's funny because years ago I used the Bare Minerals one and I loved it, but loose powder is a little bit messy to use, but the colors are just stunning. But I'm going to check if that's one that I already own. Ofra Cosmetics, this one is a blush in Charm. I love getting Ofra Cosmetics in here. And then the Balm, it's a Willpower Worth the Wait. It looks like it's a highlighter. And even if this isn't, excuse me, I think this is the mini size. This is one of the deluxe size because in the Ultimate you get 8 full size and 4 deluxe size. These deluxe sizes are in a cardboard. They last so long and they're so fantastic to travel with because they're so lightweight. And wow, I got the Viseart Theory 6 palette. And this will be my first Viseart. I've gotten the ones where I got one color from Viseart, and Viseart supposedly is a really great line. So really excited about that. So I think I did okay so far. All right. The next item that we're going to look at is the Glambag Plus, and this is the one where you get to choose 3. So let's see what the choices are. So here it says choose the 3 products, and let's see what we got going on here. So the ones that they chose for me, yay, is the Nomad Cosmetics. This is the Berlin Underground palette. Really excited to get this. And the Tarte setting powder and translucent. Very excited to get that as well. And now it says you have the choice where you can skip or you can choose your 3 items. So let's see what the choices are for me. So they said they're giving me the OS Laboratories. This is the brand that's done by Lady Gaga. It looks like it's in a dark color. I would have liked to have tried this, but I don't think so. It's Chaser. And then the next one is Misho Beauty. They're saying it is a nail duo top coat and unbothered. It looks really interesting. And then Nature's Cartel. This is an eyeshadow trio in Champagne, Scandal, Tan Lines from Tahiti, and another color. And then from Yensa, they have Tone Up the Essential Glow Primer, as well as Allura Makeup Labs Moods, which I think I already own. Then choose the second product. Choices are from Laboratory Fularaga, another one I'm not familiar with. This says it's an Oxygen Glow. It's an eye product. From Dr. Lip, they have a lip tint 3-pack. And those are the colors there. Dr. Lip is a really good product. It's one of the first products I bought a long time ago that I used when it's very moisturizing for the lips. They come really small and they're full size, but the tubes look really small. The Violet Voss Lip Gloss in Adore. I was hesitant to do this as a points or an add-on last month. I can't remember, but I'm happy this is in there because I wanted to try this. And then Skin Lab, they have some calming cream. Then the third choice I have is from Arceli Beauty. Their lip liners I've only had the opportunity to try, I think, in the liquid. These look like they are the gel liners. Then from Thrive Cosmetics, they have the Brilliant Eye Brightener, as well as Tristique, they have a brow pencil. And then from Half Naked, they have a lip duo, which a lot of times I get these in the 2 for $5 in the flash sales. So I don't know, the plus for me since they've been doing the choices have not been overly exciting, but I'm really happy with the first 2 items that they chose. So the bag will end up being a good bag, but the choices they gave for me, I'm not overly thrilled. So now let's check what the add-ons are all about. So let's look where it says get some extra products. We'll go through these and then I'm going to sit down and make some choices for myself. So this here says choose your add-ons before we ship your bag. You can choose 8 extra products and we'll ship them for free. That means 8 per bag. So here, the first items that they're showing are from PMD, and this says that it's full size, and these are the $25 options. And if you see on the bottom, they're saying these are normally a $99 value. The other item here is from Gold Faden. I just received these, so I haven't had the opportunity to use them yet. I apologize. My box came very, very late. So literally just a few days ago. So I'm not sure about the product, but Gold Faden was my choice. And I've used his eye cream, and I did replenish that because I was so impressed with the product line. The next one is an $18, which is fantastic. There's a couple of Sunday Rileys here. I've used both, and I've really enjoyed both. Kate Somerville also for $18 is a steal. This is normally a $98 product. Her products are also really the ingredients that are in here are very, very good, but her products are extremely concentrated, so you need very, very little. The next item here looks like it is one of those gua shas. They're the stones that you use to help with your lines on your face, getting circulation going. That's a good choice also. 111 Skin, you know how I feel about it. These boosters are great. You could put them in anything, but I already own this one. And then they have from Morphe a highlighter and a blush trio, which is exciting. And then they have some masks, some face masks, which I think is really, really nice. Then for $12, they have some more full size. Here they have the Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder in Translutions. This one is in Tan and Deep, and as you saw, they gave it to me in my color, which is fantastic. Then Juice Beauty, they have a Blemish Clearing Serum, which is, what I love is they're showing on the front page here the full retail. Then a Tarteist, a Double Take eyeliner in black. What's nice about this one is one side is the liquid eyeliner and the other side is just a regular pencil. These are fantastic. I travel with them all the time, and I do enjoy the Tarte one. Nomad Cosmetics, this is a really nice palette. I do own it and enjoy it. This is her one called Storm. Then from Huda Beauty, they have an emerald palette. These Obsession palettes are fantastic. So if you like the colors that are in here, then grab it. The next one is from Yensa. It is the Glow Primer. It looks like this was already chosen for me. And then from Thrive Cosmetics, they have some more eye brighteners, and already we saw that they chose one for me. The next item here is a brand that I really enjoy. It's called Dupes. However, with that said, this palette is really heavy. All these components inside here can be moved and taken out, but I wasn't overly impressed with the product. Also, the item that's over here, there is a clear plastic that covers it. I found it hard to close if I move things around. So this one for me, I wouldn't highly recommend. And it's ironic because Dupes for everything else, I really do. Half Caked, here you're seeing it. This has already been chosen for me, but as you see, you can get it in the add-ons here. And then Violet Voss, here's some more colors if they're ones that you would enjoy. And these are also in this section. Then Dr. Lip, the same thing. I find it ironic when it is already in my choices, in my ones that they chose for me, that they're in my add-ons, but I guess if you want a second one, you can get it. I'm really not sure. And then from Hey Honey, they have a facial serum, which is really fantastic. Hey Honey, a fantastic line. Everything that I've tried, I've enjoyed, and it is an expensive line. So this is really great that it's in the $12 section. And then Laboratories, you saw this is one that they chose for me as well. Okay, now we get into my fun part, which is the $3 section. So here starts with the Sunday Riley Night Oil. I do own this. As you can see, with the dots that you're seeing around it is the color of the actual serum inside. It is a very rich oil. So if you wanted to try a Sunday Riley product and see what it's all about, this one is for me. Out of all of her products, this is not my favorite. All of her other ones I have really enjoyed, but you'll see results. But for $3 to get a Sunday Riley is absolutely fantastic to try. Then Smashbox, again, a primer, fantastic to try. This is in the $3 section. The Tarte products, I'm also excited that these are in here. This is one that I wanted to try. I was always afraid that it was going to be a little bit too oily for my skin because I am a combo girl. This, her Maracuja is her oil that's in her products that she uses very similar to, oh, there's another oil that's out there, an argan oil. So that's her take on it. So I wanted to try it, but I was always concerned. So in the $3 section, and they're giving it to me in so many color choices, is probably something I might pick. The Briogea Hair Care, another fantastic, fantastic product. This is the Farewell Frizz. This is a perfect size. It's the Milk Leave-In Conditioner, and this is a great size to take with you when you're traveling or even just going away for the weekend. Then this Hen Hu is another brand that's a really, really fantastic brand that I had an opportunity to try, and I tried a couple of their products and they did impress me. And this is what they're calling these Blemish Patches. I own a small one. I've never opened it up. I've been lucky so far that I haven't had any breakouts, but that's something that you put on the blemish, and it might be something I'd want in my arsenal. First Aid Beauty, another fantastic brand to try for $3, is a steal. Pearly Say, her matcha green tea products, fantastic. And the charcoal mask I just received and have not had the opportunity to try yet, but it is a fantastic, fantastic brand. Then it looks like they have a couple of sheet masks from this Timeless Beauty Bar, which would be new to me. Another sheet mask set from Pure Face. Then here from Latte London. So if you didn't get this in yours like I did me, this is another color that you guys can try. The Bomb Cosmetics, like I said, in these small little containers are a steal. And the Willpower Blush is fantastic. And this is in a color that I'm going to have to check if it's one that I own. Then from REP, this is another new brand to me. It looks like it's a serum, as well as this other brand, Suremedic, I'm not familiar with it, called the Soothing Cream. Levito is a facial cleanser. Levito is a fantastic high-end brand. I think this is an Israeli brand. Excuse me. I've had an opportunity to try this, and I have enjoyed it. This Skin Regime, another brand that really impressed me. This is their Essence, which I find ironic because it's really, really a small container. The cleanser I got to use for a while, but an Essence is a watery serum that you use right after you cleanse, before you tone. And usually it comes in a bottle. So I'm surprised that it's in here. So I might take a look at that one. Then from Real Cosmetics, Real Chemistry, new brand to me. It says it's a day cream. Coffee scrub is something that I have put aside. It's something I wanted to take with me when I was traveling to try, because a lot of the girls say it is a fantastic, fantastic product, but it is messy, and it looks like it's in a couple of different scents. This La Chatelaine I have really enjoyed. It is their hand creams. I'm probably going to pick these up. These are fantastic. They lasted me a long time, and I really, really enjoyed them. Then from Pistachio Skincare, another new brand to me. This looks like it's a whipped pistachio body butter. So that looks exciting, and it looks like it's not in a container, which I am happy with, because then you'll be able to, I find when body butters are in the bottles, they're impossible to take out. So the fact that it's in this type of container, I think is a great idea. Then from Ratte Green, they have a scalp pack. That's something new to me. And then they have a couple of brushes here, and brushes in the $3 section are always a win. Do say, like I said, this is something that's a good line and a good product. So if you need a black eyeliner, that's there. Here in the $3 section, this is exciting too. They have these quads from a brand called Elementi, which is a new one to me. And then ICO, I'm a hit and miss with. Sometimes I love their products, sometimes I don't. And then from Benefits, if you need an eyebrow gel, they have all the colors here. As well as from MAC, they have some false eyelashes. So that looks like everything that they have here in the add-ons. So I'm going to let you guys go. Go make your choices, because that's what I'm going to be doing too. And hopefully you will join me when I open up all of my bags, and you'll be able to see what I chose in my bags too. All right. Once again, everybody, I enjoy that you take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, but especially during this time, it is so important that you guys continue to stay safe and stay well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care for now. Bye.